Alright. Hey Bug. Uh, I set another example. It's the maze one I was talking about. Um, we're gonna really make it simple, so we're gonna figure out the movements to go inside and then get out. Like the reason we're doing it is because let's say you created a maze and a bunch of monsters spawn and try to get in through the maze, right? You could have one of your robots, the melee robots, the one with the diamond weapon, go through it back and forth, monitoring the maze, and then attacking any monsters that show up. So you can either do it with one robot or multiple robots. But first, we're just going to teach you, hey, how do I get through this maze? And which can be extended to how can I go through the base and monitor it for monsters. All right. So let's first get through the maze. All right. Let's check. Label. We already have a label, bug 7. Let's check what we have. Fuel in here. Alright. Fuel level 0. Okay, we need to give it some fuel, so put it right there. Then refuel 11 or 10. Then it'll burn up all that fuel in there, and now we got 800. So we can go 800 blocks anywhere. Alright, we're going to go up in the air just a little bit, and we're going to look from a higher point of viewpoint, and then go step by step. Okay, so we're gonna go 3 steps forward, 1, 2, 3, then to the right, 1, 2, 3, forward 3. All right, so let's do that. So go forward, FD 3. Good. Now we're gonna turn to our right and go 3 blocks forward. Go RT FD 3. Work magic. Okay. Cool. All right. So now we're gonna go to our left and go 2 steps forward. So go LT FD 2. Good. Okay. Good. Then we're gonna turn left here and then go 1, 2, 3 steps. Go. Good. Okay. We're almost out of that maze. Then we're gonna go to our right, because remember this is this way. This how the robot's facing. So we're going to the right. Go RT FD3, I think. Nope, just a little more. All right, so then we are gonna go left 2, and then yep. Right. Then we're gonna go right. Yep, 1, 2. Then go RTFE, and then we're gonna go right again, and then 1, 2, 3. All right, and now we just go left and FD 2 steps forward and 1 step down. So down 1. Oh, actually, yeah. Good. And then enter. And there. our robot has made it down and gotten out of the maze, which is great. That's what we want, but we also want it to go all the way forward and all the way back. So let's see if we can do that. So, sorry about that. So instead of going left, instead of going, we're going to go back. We're going to do 2 rotations. So let's see. Here we're going to go left twice. So go FLT2. Like this, if we escape from it and then go back to the robot, it won't disappear. So we can keep going back and forth between the editor and the robot. Okay, so we went left twice, and then we go forward 1. Actually, no, we go up. So then up. So we go forward twice, right? This way. From there, we are going to go to our right, to our right, and then go 3 steps forward. Let's see if that works. Go forward, then go. Okay, we don't need this go. We're all doing it all in one thing. All right. We're only gonna do part of it. See if it works. Okay. Oh, sweet, it worked. Okay. So now we're doing longer steps. So go LT, then forward 2 steps. Then we're going to do another left. And then go 2 steps forward. Okay, and we're going to stop right there and do our command. See if we got to the right place. Good. All right. Then let's put go FD 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to be here, so we're going to take a left. Then 1, 2, 3. LT FD 3. Okay. So let's check again. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to make a right. Actually, no, that's more than enough for that. Oh no, we went the wrong way. We need to destroy this, because apparently we definitely okay. So now let's turn back around. We're destroying our base now. Alright, let's actually delete this and start. And yeah, this is going to happen, but again, it's part of the learning process, so don't get discouraged. All right. All right, and we're going to have to refuel it, I'm sure. Oh no, we did not. We already had power. Okay, cool. Go up. Go. So once we destroyed it and we put it back, all our saved commands will disappear. So be careful with that if you need to move it. So that's why once you create it and you got the instructions that you want, don't delete it. I think there's a way to save it later on, so that way when you go from different place, it won't be an issue if you need to recreate something like this again. But you should be good. Okay, and then go up FD2 RT FD 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to go left FD2, then LT FD2. Wait, yep. And then we're going to go right FD3. So once we're here, we're going to go right FD3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So gotta fix this right here. All right, good. Now we're going to go left and 3. Go L 3. Then we go right to RTFE2. The command. There we are. Now let's go to the right 3. Go right. Okay. So we're going to go right. 1, 2, 3. We're going to go left. F3. All right. That should work. And we are out of the maze. Well, back to the entrance. All right. Sorry that took a little bit longer because of that little mistake. But as you can see, we can get in and out of the maze, go through it back and forth. And that's how you're going to go about creating movements that will help you get through the maze. And again, you don't have to just go in and out of the maze. You can go to the, what's it called, to the other parts. Like you can monitor the overall shape. So you can go here, 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 and it goes back, and then it goes like here, and then it goes over here, and then it goes back, and then it goes here, and then it goes back, and then it goes out. So you can control every part of the maze. You just have to go step by step, and eventually you'll be able to get a patrol nice and ready. All right. Well, sorry if I confused you, Bug. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll be here. Bye.